In today's video, I'll teach you how to add coin price alert in CoinGecko app. First of all, what you have to do is launch open CoinGecko application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the market interface. So if you want to add the coin price alert, it is actually very simple. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here at top, you'll be able to find the options like my account, my candy, calculator, coin alerts, etc. Simply tap on this option, coin alerts. Now after you do that, you'll be able to add the coin price alerts. For that, tap on this option, add price alert, that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now what you have to do is simply select the coin. You can also search for the coin if you want. Now you'll be able to see the results. Simply tap on the coin of your choice. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to add the price alert over here. What you have to do is enter your target price. Tap on the field of target price. You can also select the currency if you want. For that, what you have to do is tap on the currency that is selected right now. After you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to select the currency. Simply tap on the currency of your choice. Now once you do that, what you have to do is enter the target price over here. Now after you enter the target price, you'll also have to select the frequency. You'll be able to find two options, one time repeat. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, what you have to do is tap on this option, add price alert, that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option, save. Now you'll receive the alert whenever the price threshold of this particular coin is met. So like this, you'll be able to save the alerts. So that is how you add coin price alert in CoinGecko app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.